Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today we gonna create this Spotify Duotone photo effect using Adobe Photoshop. So let's straight jump into the tutorial. The stock images and material link is in the description. If you need the stock and gradient colors scheme, make sure to check the description box. Okay, first create a new document. Width 1280px. And height 720px. Give it name Duotone. After that, make selection around the model. Make sure to check on Auto Enhance. Make selection. For inverse the selection, go to Select and Inverse, and click on Add Layer Mask icon. Model will cut out from the background. With Move tool, drag the model to Duotone document. With Free Transform tool, align model with document size. Like so. Now click on Mask Thumbnail. Mask properties will appear. Check on Smart Radius. And increase the radius value a little. Then hit OK. Now we need to apply gradient colors on it. Here I make this colors swatches for this tutorial. If you want to download this Duotone colors PSD file, link is in the description. Download it. Here I am picking two colors. One for shadows and second for highlights. When you pick two colors, then go to Model Man document. Select Model Layer. Go to Adjustments and Gradient Map. As you can see, it's applied on model. After that, we need to contrast the image a little. For that, active model layer. Go to Adjustments and click on Curves. Make here two dots. One in the shadows and the second one in the highlights. Increase shadows and highlights. Like so. Again, go to Adjustments. Now click on Brightness and Contrast. Here decrease the brightness and increase the contrast a little. Now active Ellipse tool. Take white color. And make a circle. Place the circle into right place. Hold Alt or Option key and drag the circle. It will duplicate. Decrease the size and place it. Again, duplicate the circle with same process. Make 3 or 4 circles with different sizes. With crop tool, crop from right side a little. Now select all circles with Shift key and group them. Right-click on Model Layer Thumbnail. Click on Select Pixels. As you can see selection around the model. Active circles group again, and click on Add Layer Mask icon. Now inverse the mask. Now Active Text tool. Take Impact Regular Font. Pick Color to White. Type something cool. And compose text with white circles. Like so. Finally, we are done with Spotify Duotone color effect. Thank you for watching the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and learned something from it. If you did, then thumbs up for the tutorial. Do like, comment and also subscribe our channel for more. Stay tuned for the next tutorials. See you in the next video. Take care.